Oh, look who's here. It's a cute little kitten who lives in a tree. Time for a ride in your basket. Cue the balloons. Ah, flying. It's the only way to travel. The tree kitten has landed. Now let's bundle you up like a little burrito. Let's clean you up. We should start with those ears. This calls for heavy-duty stuff. Good thing we've got a fingertip toothbrush. Really get in those whiskers and scrub those messy paws. Almost done. You can dry off and cosplay as a bunny at the same time. Meanwhile, we've got a special surprise for you. Put some holes in this milk carton and add some udders on top. Now it's like he's got his own personal cow. But around here, we go all out for snack time. We've got food, we've got water, we've got buttons, and the pièce de résistance, the meat bar. Of course, you might be in the mood for sausages. Who said cats don't like dogs? Especially hot dogs. Now it's time to have some fun with this long tunnel. Add them to some cardboard boxes. Now our tree kitten has his very own tunnel system. After all, why should hamsters have all the fun? Let's add a little personalization while we're at it. There's no doubt what furry friend lives here. Anyone in the mood for tiny billiards? He'll write the great kitty novel on this. What else? Here's an idea. Grab an old t-shirt. Tie up the ends and hang it up. It's a kitty hammock. Throw on some pillows. Now grab a rubber glove. You only need one. Add it around a cup and fill it up with sand. It's great if you want a tiny chair or a moderate-sized hand. Add a reminder of his favorite person, and it's time to explore. I told you he liked her. He plays pool by his own rules. Ah, such a bright sunny day for napping. Hey, be careful on top of that, even if you can land on your feet. Let's have fun with these paw prints. Add epoxy resin. Decorate any way you want and then add them on a chain. It's a friendship bracelet. Well, a necklace at his size. I've heard of a monkey on your shoulder, but this is better. Run some string through a shower glove's fingertips. Our kitty's not the only one with retractable claws. Now we need to blow up a balloon. Well, that works. Make 4 of these and tie to each of the strings. It's like a baby mobile and a cat toy rolled in one. Cut up some foameran and cardboard. It's a tiny sink, complete with a tiny mirror. We can even cut up a straw to make a faucet. Add a dial. And what's a bathroom without a bath? Gesundheit. Is that rain tinsel? How'd that get up there? This tub could use some tinsel and pom-poms. After all, cats don't really do water. What the? I don't think your dolls will miss this garland. Time to see if our kitten likes his new water closet. Probably should powder his nose while we're here. Next up, take a sock and put it on a glass. Fill it up with some soil and seeds. And then some more soil. We'll need to speed things up a bit. Wrap it up and add googly eyes. Why not? Now that you know how to make it, you'll never run out of delicious cat grass. This cat house needs a doorway. Now take the bristles off some toothbrushes and add it to the door. Grooming now just takes a few steps. Time to get out an old plastic bottle. Cut off the end. Now add some hot glue in the middle. Reattach with some string and pull out the neck. Now take a ball and attach with some more hot glue. Just pull it down and it pops open. Now add kibble. And behold, your cat can have treats with the flick of a paw. Why not make one for yourself while you're at it? It's the best of both worlds. Your kitty gets a ball to play with and snacks. Chips. Never mind. At least we got the tube. Tie some jute rope around it. Lasso it up. Add a bunch to the side of one of the boxes. Now your little rock climber can get some exercise. It's also a fun way of going up without stairs. And it's the perfect place for just hanging around. This cute tiny candy ball's the perfect thing for our cute tiny cat. Got something in your throat? Ooh, a fish skeleton. Dip it in some paint and decorate the cat's house. That, or just make some fishbone broth. Seaweed in her hair? What is she, a mermaid? Well, it's fish-related, so on the box it goes. So tell me, kitty, do you like your new pad? You can just relax and scratch an itch, or go on a little adventure. After all, you're the king of this castle. Who knew that hallways could be so fun? Oh no! He thinks I'm a mouse! Why did I eat all that cheese? He'll be in his equally adorable kitty trailer. Just kidding. This kitty's a real professional. Meow, amazing stuff. Catch you next time. Time for dinner. Now how did he get in here? Now that's much better. Let's dig in. Could use some gravy. What's that smell? Dogs really need to try out the whole litter box idea. Well, this pooper scooper looks like it makes things easy. Good job. Probably should sanitize the couch. Still, it looks like we got this scooper just in time. Just how many dogs do you have again? Look at all that rain. Oh no, that poor puppy. We have to save him. Hurry! First things first, let's get you an umbrella. Well, that was easy. Now it's time to get out of this rain. Or go to the park? Well, gotta get in those steps. Good thing there's room enough for two. Uh-oh, and this is why you need to puppy-proof. Either way, you need a bath. Better yet, a shower. Just plug it in, and you get a spritz and a scratch all in one. This puppy will be clean in no time. Every dog's gonna love the sound of that. Come on, a walk? It's such a great day for napping. Well, we have to go. This cat will show you how to do it. First, let's try this charming cat carrier. Now this is a walk, the kind where you don't actually walk. Always love a nice ride through the country. Rain again? Weather's sure weird around here. On the plus side, you don't need a shower tonight. Let's dry you off before things get even wetter. We just need to put you in this snazzy new outfit. Add a blow dryer to the tail and let the drying commence. Now you and your dog can get your hair done together. You should be done by now. Nice and dry. Wow, a retractable lollipop holder. Wonder what the retracting expert thinks. Well, one man's candy is a cat's face scratcher. Uh-oh, look at all those dirty paws. We'll need to start cleaning at the source. This device should help. Just add soap. Just squeeze out the foam and treat those paws. Don't forget to dry when you're done. And clean that couch. Speaking of paws, it's time for a manicure. Time to use your head. Seriously, wrap it up. And cover it up with some wet pet food. Someone isn't gonna mind cleaning it up. Good, a distraction. Now fix those nails. Don't worry, your dog won't feel betrayed. Especially when they learn there's food left over. This kitty's ready for a close-up, Mr. DeMille. If only cats could have fun costumes to wear. Who said they don't? Just look at this little cap. Release your inner beast. Or maybe get ready for the holidays. Say cheese. I mean, you are wearing mouse ears. Litter boxes seem cleaner, but you still need to clean them. We're gonna need a tool for this. Just don't forget a bag. It'll come in handy. Just scoop things up. Probably should ask the vet about that. Maybe the cat's just hiding its veggies in here. See, I told you that bag would come in handy. Good thing, too. This box won't stay clean for long. Oh, that reminds us. It's time to exercise. Let's get ready. Get the leash, tie those laces, and head out. Really working up a sweat. Come on, no pain, no gain. Oh, it's time for a break. It's important to hydrate. And I meant that for the both of you. Luckily, we've got portable doggy bowls. Granted, bowls are usually portable, but not like this. Don't forget the kibble. Your furry friend totally earned it. Good, all gone. Now you can wrap it up. By the looks of it, somebody wants a muffin. And they're not going down without a fight. If only we could make a muffin tin treat for pups. Well, just fill each hole with kibble and a toy. Ah, tennis balls. You can never go wrong with tennis balls. Some prefer muffin tops, but this dog can't wait to get to the bottom. Now you're free to dig into those backup muffins. Where's the light switch? Careful not to trip. Don't worry, your pupper is here to help with a shiny new collar. You can customize the size and add as many as you need. And now your dog's ready for the next rave. Turn off the light, and why not join in on the fun too? Sorry, Cup, but the cat says you gotta go. Actually, pushing things off tables looks like fun. And these cat paws let you join in on the fun. Let's play with some cat toys while we're at it. The best part, use them to play with your cat. Yeah, that's the spot. Oh no! What cat doesn't come when the treats are shaking? Oh, the toilet, of course! The best seat in the house. Reunited. And it feels suffocating, apparently. Let's use this hanger to help. Cut it up. We'll need to do a little bit of bending. Add a little tape to secure these arches in place. Place on a cardboard base. Just poke through. Cover it up so that it's a little tent. Your cat will never want to leave. And look who's up for a game of Catch the Finger. Looks like you're about to get a wet one. Don't make that a messy one. What have you been feeding this dog? We need to do something about this canine's teeth. Luckily, we've got a special doggy toothbrush. Looks like your cat's not the only one to get hairballs. Well, if you really need to lick your cat, this should help. Your cat gets a good brushing and no saliva. Cleanup's a breeze. Why not groom yourself while you're at it? Hard to get up when you're moonlighting as a chair. But you can't just ghost your own mother. Here's what to do. Grab a pillow and remove the stuffing. Fill up a pair of old jeans you can afford to lose. Keep the legs crossed together. And now, it's time to make the old switcheroo. While we're at it, why not make a whole fake person? Now call your mother. Sensational stuff! Catch you next time. Hey Mario, are you ready for a new adventure? Let's go! A plumber's job is never done. Speaking of plumbing, I guess it's occupied. I think he's gonna be a while. Unless we try out this brand new toilet water bowl. It's nice and fresh. Anyone thirsty? Quick, before a line starts. Cat cops? Ever seen criminal mice? You're welcome. Must be where they keep the best cat toys. I'm sure he'd be happy to lend a paw. Now fill it up with some hot glue. And scrape away all that sand. Only one way to see if it works. Great success! It was the perfect crime. Hey, it's dark in here! Ow! So hard to see. Is that a dog? Maybe the mystery box can help. Look, it's an LED collar. Try it out. And there's more where that came from. Now shine on. Is there any gold around here? Well, that answers that. Yeah, I wouldn't get too close. TP, maybe? Aha! A pooper scooper. Oh, it even comes with bags. Seems simple enough. Scoop it up. And put it where it belongs. You know, I always wondered about those pipes. And that's where gold coins come from. Hey, watch your step, Mario! I'd better think of something before you start seeing claws. Look, it's a dino chomper! Kitty want a lick? Aw, what a nice kitty. Maybe we should change the sign. This dog's bark is worse than his spikes. Stick to head pats. Hey, what's that? Ooh, let's pretend we don't see it. Aha! Oh, hey, that's not a mushroom. It's a pet massager. Try it out. Ooh, a hands-free experience. But that box is none the wiser. Oh no! The bricks are coming down! What the? Is anything real in here? Let's hope this pomelo's a different story. 'Cause we could sure use that shell. Now for a little measuring. And a little cutting. Your pup's got a new helmet. Just in time, the sky is falling! Hey, this mushroom's a mess. Actually, the room's a mess. The perpetrator! Don't worry. Here's something that can help. A cat brush. Seems self-explanatory. Grab that cat. And let's get brushing. And look, it even works on Paws. Paws! When it's done, it comes clean off. Why don't we collect all this cat hair? Just get crafting, and soon we'll have a brand new pair of kitty flip-flops. Just the thing for a nice stroll. Or just a day of pampering. Now where is that mystery box? Uh-oh, looks like we've got company. Let's try this one instead. It's an interactive treats wheel. Open it up and add the treats. Make sure you close it up. Now just attach it to the wall. You think he'll get it out? Great success! And while no dog's looking, this pug's a mess with stress. Cleaning him up is the easy part, but so is calming him down. With our helpful massage tool. Now for some tummy scratching. These little hands will get in every nook and cranny. And let's finish up with a face mask. Who needs a dryer? Sunshine's free. Of course, outside does have its drawbacks. It's okay. Take a basin and start welding. We need to cut out a little opening. Now add another basin on top. Decorate. And add something soft around the rim. Some glitter is the final touch. And Kitty's got a brand new potty. To contain all those little surprises. What has this cat been eating? Good thing those aren't blocks. You should be nice to mushrooms. Or they won't share their coins. This will help. A back scratcher. I meant with the dog. The dog! That's a good boy. Okay, lift a little more. We've got time. Keep on scratching. Hey, careful with those nails. Oh, your poor overalls. It's infuriating. Great, now the basketball's broken. Wait, we can use it for our next craft. Look, it's a piranha plant. It'll probably need a stem. Here, cover it up with rope. And maybe it can use a tongue. Now Kitty has a brand new scratching post. And a throne right on top. Check out this Dogmobile. You've got insurance, right? No matter, we can fix it up. When life gives you lemons. Oh, we can just use this cart. Of course, a new ride should look its best. Don't forget to add some headlights. We're gonna need some engines. And an M for Mario. And streamers. Let's take it out for a spin. Oh, it's Mario powered. Guess we'll save a ton on gas.